Take a ride in the 2014 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, air conditioning, automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, cruise control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, power windows, compass. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.